Hey, savvy viewers! Welcome back to Passive Income Journey 777, where we're diving deep into the world of passive income. If you've ever dreamed of making money while you sleep, you're in the right place. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to financial freedom through passive income strategies. Let's jump right in. Picture this: a life where your money is working for you. That's the essence of passive income. In this section, we'll break down the concept and explore why it's a game changer for your financial journey. Passive income isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. We're delving into different streams of passive income, dividends, real estate, affiliate marketing, and more. Discover the possibilities and find what suits you. Nothing inspires like real success stories. Join us as we share stories of individuals who turned their financial lives around using passive income strategies. Get ready for some incredible motivation. Passive income often involves smart investing. Don't worry, we're making it easy for you. Learn the basics of investing, where to start, and how to make your money work smarter, not harder. The digital world opens up endless opportunities. From creating digital products to affiliate marketing, we're exploring how the internet can be your ultimate ally in generating passive income. For those just starting, fear not, we've got your back. Learn smart strategies that even beginners can implement to kickstart their passive income journey. It's all about taking that first step. Success isn't without its challenges. We're addressing common roadblocks, busting myths, and helping you navigate the hurdles on your path to financial freedom. Get ready to overcome and thrive. If you decide to invest in an annuity, you should understand how much stable income you can expect from it. If you have $1 million, you likely want to know how much your monthly payout will be. Monthly cash flow from a $1 million annuity varies depending on several factors, including the type of annuity purchased, the age at which the annuity payments begin, and current interest rate. The monthly payments from a $1 million annuity can range significantly. For people who start their annuity payments later in life, say between the ages of 60 and 70, the monthly disbursements can be higher because of the shorter payment period expected. They might expect to receive between $4,500 and $6,500 per month for the rest of their lives or the specified duration of the annuity contract. This window gives a broad idea but emphasizes the need for personalized quotes to understand exact figures. Annuities are popular for providing a sense of security through guaranteed income, which is particularly appealing for those concerned about preserving their lifestyle post-retirement and the risk of outliving their savings. A well-chosen annuity can become the cornerstone of a secure retirement plan, but it must be tailored to individual financial situations and goals. For an accurate estimation tailored to your circumstances, using an income annuity calculator or consulting with a financial advisor would be the best course of action. Annuities can provide a steady stream of income in retirement, with payout structures influenced by multiple factors. Annuities come in several forms, each tailored to different financial goals and risk tolerance levels. Immediate annuities start payouts shortly after a lump sum investment, while deferred annuities allow assets to grow before income begins. You can choose between fixed annuities, offering guaranteed payouts, and variable annuities, where payments depend on investment performance. Indexed annuities are another option, with payouts linked to a specific market index's performance. The method by which annuities pay out can greatly affect their suitability for a retiree's needs. You can opt for life annuities to receive payments for as long as you live, or you can select term-certain annuities for guaranteed income over a set period. Joint and survivor annuities also are available, ensuring that spouses or other beneficiaries continue to receive payments after the original annuitant's death. Myriad factors impact the monthly income from an annuity. Your age at purchase is critical. The younger you are when you buy an annuity, the smaller the monthly payments tend to be because they're spread over a longer expected lifetime. Interest rates also play a significant role. Higher rates typically lead to more substantial monthly payments. Initial investment amount, chosen riders, or additional contract features, and the insuring company's financial strength further dictate the payment amounts. When considering a $1 million annuity, you must understand the factors that influence monthly payments, such as whether the annuity is immediate or deferred, current interest rates, and your life expectancy. Immediate annuities start payments almost immediately after the initial investment. If you invest in an immediate annuity, you can expect to receive a fixed monthly payment based on agreed-upon terms. Deferred annuities, on the other hand, involve payments starting at a future date. This delay allows the investment to grow over time before payouts begin. often resulting in a higher monthly payment. The monthly income from an annuity is significantly affected by the interest rates at the time of purchase. A higher interest rate can increase monthly payments as the investment accrues more interest. Annuity calculators can help estimate monthly payments by factoring in these rates. Insurers use life expectancy as a key determinant in calculating annuity payments. The longer a person is expected to live, the more the $1 million must be spread out, potentially reducing the size of each payment. Conversely, a shorter life expectancy might result in larger monthly payments. This calculation ensures the full value of the annuity is paid out over the person's lifetime. Annuities can have complex tax implications. Withdrawals from a non-qualified annuity are typically taxed as ordinary income, and you may also face penalties if you take them before age 59, 1/2. Conversely, funds from a qualified annuity may be taxed differently because they are often purchased with pre-tax dollars. Careful planning is crucial to maximize annuity payouts. Immediate annuities generally offer a higher monthly payment because they begin dispersing funds soon after investment. On the other hand, deferred annuities can be beneficial for people who can afford to wait, as they accrue interest over time, potentially increasing the monthly disbursement amount. If you have excess cash from your annuity payments, reinvesting can yield additional growth. You might consider low-risk investments such as bonds or fixed deposits or potentially higher yield, yet riskier, options like stocks or mutual funds. This strategy should align with your overall long-term financial goals and risk tolerance. Are you ready to transform your financial life? Hit that subscribe button like this video and share it with anyone you know dreaming of financial freedom. Together, we're building a community of wealth builders. Thank you for joining us on this journey to financial freedom. Remember, passive income isn't just a dream, it's a strategy. Implement what you've learned, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow. Until next time, stay savvy.